Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdlmajeed Fahad, grade 5B, my school, Success International School. Today, talk about Microsoft Office and Excel. Microsoft Office is an office package used by the company office and includes a set of office programs such as a text editing programs, a database programs, a presentation program, and a content program, and other. One of the most important programs of the company so far. The most important Microsoft Office program: Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, OneNote, Word. Excel 2060 is a software that is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. That software is mainly used to create tables with a lot of nomenclature data. Excel has a number of tools and functions that help in calculation and in analyzing data using formulas and tables. In Excel, you can exemplify data in a number of formats and also create graphs and charts based on the data. Thank you for listening.